Hello everybody, sorry I'm late. We did not miss anything, don't we? Or did we? Yeah, I hope not. So, what a day. Hey, D-Pain, Paul, welcome. Good to see you guys. Okay, so seems like we took out previous day low, and I still have my favorite zone 795 up there. That previous trade I left on that eval, I closed it somewhere here at 700. So let's see how these zones are gonna work out today. We actually broke higher, which is a good thing. I'd like to take a long position, to be honest. I really do. I really would love to take a long position. Actually, I'd like to see 700 and, well, maybe somewhere in the 760s, maybe. Who knows? Let's just wait and see what's gonna happen, right? Let's just wait and see. Good call, Pele. Hey, horrible day. Well, this day was definitely a pain in the rear end. I closed down my eval long position somewhere here because then I thought we could be going down here, which we did. Now that we took out previous day low, I mean the news was not good, right? And still, I mean, yeah, it went down. So I imagine that this was the reaction. Most likely it was priced in already. And then now the market decided to go higher. Gotta wait a little bit. Hey, Zacromancer, good morning or good day. Mohammed El Hedrayu. Hey, Hedrayu. Welcome. Slowly getting up there. Nothing fancy, nothing special. Maybe just standing still, right? Gold actually went down, so that's interesting. Interesting scenario. Okay, it still keeps going higher. Cooktown. Prop recap. I do have a long position on one of my evaluation accounts. Man, where is this? I do have a long position. I just don't know where. Not here. I think it's this one. Yeah, this one. But this is just an eval, so nothing super special about that. Hold on. Like 7, 5. I'm kind of curious if it wants to go up to that level, but I do like this one to go up there. I kind of like the target. until 780s. Entered 640, nice. I think we should be hitting that, yeah, 780-ish level. Final target would be for my long position, yeah, somewhere up there for this. But this is, again, just an evaluation account. Although I'm a little bit tempted to jump in on a long position on a funded. Problem is, I'm still scared a little bit to jump in. But I guess we'll see, right? I don't know. 758, but yeah, that target is good up there. What is happening with gold? Gold is down there. Not much is happening. NQ still spiking higher. All right. Do we have any other news for today, or this was it? Nothing else, right? ECB president for later, and that's it. What a day, man. What a day. No more news, yeah. Yeah, unless Trump is gonna tweet something. We're gonna see about that. Okay. So far, this is all. We don't have anything else on the plate. Seems like gold might want to head lower. Let me switch to the 5-minute. Yeah, gold wants to take some lower levels maybe. I don't feel like that this could be a switch to the downside, but you never know, right? You never know. Well, nowadays not much, that's for sure. Nowadays not much is happening with the Trump tweets. I'm definitely liking that level up there. Still hovering here. I hope it's not gonna be like we're just gonna go sideways again until the PM session. It can very well happen. No proper price action nowadays. Like nothing. So maybe there could be a pullback. I'm expecting that. I still would like to see this one go. Maverick, hey. I'm gonna start 100K challenge on Fivers. Good luck, Maverick. Congratulations for the decision and, you know, all the profits. Be careful, you know, because CFDs could be slippery, but I'm gonna continue to test the Fivers as well. Yeah, it's a new month. Me too, to be honest, Rob. I was hoping for some, well, faster, stronger movement here. Like what happened yesterday, that was absolutely like, eh. But would be awesome to see some proper movement. ES should be moving for those all-time highs finally. And then we should see something happening. As for entries, if I can get a pullback, then I might gonna take an entry. One more, I guess. One more entry can never hurt. Still just sideways action here. The 1 minute looks not too good. Managing risk is easier. Yeah. Definitely easier. Especially on, I don't know which platform you're using. MetaTrader, I guess? I don't know. With MetaTrader, I kind of like MetaTrader. It's like going back to old school again, which is cool. Speaking of MetaTrader, I might have to restart my indicators again. Okay, look at that. Are we going? Not yet. So here's the evaluation account trade. I took a similar trade on a funded account as well. Small risk, only with 4 micros on one of my MyFundedFutures accounts. And let's see how it goes. I'd love this one to go higher. Hey, Itwib. Blew your fundeds. Man, what happened? Oh, MT5. Nice. Yeah, the risk manager EAs are cool. Yeah, position size and everything. Itwib, what the heck? Come on, man. I mean, don't worry. It's manageable, Itwib, but try to scalp more on gold. Oh, yeah. Yeah, gold was also a little bit crazy today, and now look at that. It's like going back down. Man, I'm sorry to hear that, Itwib, but hey, listen. You know, you just can't stop here. You gotta move on. You gotta move on together. That's how it goes. Ninja Trader crashed? Wow. Man. Pirates are easier. Got top step funded account, but then they have 5 from, yeah. Oh yeah, it happened to me as well, Maverick, many times at top step. Yeah, first need to, you know, step back, relax, look back. What was the issue? I mean, obviously the issue was overtrading. But what triggered it? What was your level? What levels were you looking at? What was your entry setup? How many? I mean, was your first initial entry good? If it was a proper entry, why? So, you know, some questions needs to be answered, but you will know what to do. I need to restart MT5. Indicators are just crapping all over the place. Oh man, yeah. Like Tom said, we carry on, we learn, we improve. That's all we can do. That's the only thing we can do, guys. That nothing else. The trade was fine, just anti-crashing on me. Oh. Well then, I mean, you should not beat yourself up too much, you know, because if it was a technical glitch, at least you will know that the entry was good and your levels were correct. So that's actually a positive confirmation for the end of the day. Like, your levels were good, and now you know next time you still have the same conviction in your entry setup. If your analysis, if your setup was good, everything was okay, then yeah, obviously you might have entered too much or re-entered too much of the same trade. I'm not sure. Yeah, NQ should be pumping, but I'm not sure about this now. We have to wait for a new hour in 1 minute here. Change your language. Instead of thinking take the trade, don't take the trade. I like that. Me too. Protect capital. Exactly. Reprogram your mind. It's gonna help. It's helping a lot. Man, why am I tired? I'm M Khan. Hello. Doing great. Yeah. Just tuned in. All right. Hey, congratulations. Congratulations, M Khan. Field course. Hey. Hey, boys and girls. Yeah, Maverick has a good point there. Psychology has been trading. Oh, really? Well, Maverick, just don't be too hard on yourself. It will be okay. Well, we are all amazing together. That's why I love this community. We are awesome. We are pure awesomeness here. Anyway, still in this trade. Let's see what it does. As I said, I still like to see this one going higher a little bit. NQ, and well, gold is in a interesting area here. Just like NQ. You know, I was expecting, I mean, I'm still expecting some kind of a pullback, but it can just straight go up there. Green, what's up? Mohammed, accumulation. Yeah, on the 1 minute is definitely some sort of accumulation. The question is where? I do hope that it's going to be up there. I hope so. But that's the goal. For now, not much to do. Keep on waiting. And I'm kind of waiting for something on gold as well, but it's just not doing a proper retracement higher. We are all students. Exactly. And we're always going to be students. Only. Oh, I love that. I love that, Zacromancer. I love it. 10 a.m. reversal for break 15 imbalance below. Could be. I mean, I'm still watching the 15-minute fair value gap here. Could happen. I'm just afraid that I really don't want it to go too much down there into that 670s, 660s, because it might just gonna keep falling down more. I'd love to see finally these 780s, 90s being tagged. But if it goes there, you know, if it goes to above, like, for example, the 770s, there's like a very strong 85% chance or 90% that it should be tagging into that order block. Tesla is selling off. What is happening again? Oh my gosh, look at that. Okay, Tesla skyrocketed here at 9. Okay. So went from 300 to 322, now going back down. What is happening with Tesla? Nvidia is going higher, so there has to be something going on between the president and Elon again. Okay. Trade is still on. Okay. I do have another trade also on trade day. Here it is. Oh my gosh, I forgot to put a stop here. Okay, I'm gonna have to do something about that. Yes, I'm long. I'm long, but only small position. Drop it like it's hot. I really hope it's not going to drop down yet. I mean, some pullback is acceptable. Okay, there's no problem with that. But, you know, why not just take out these levels up there? That would be even better. Yeah. Somewhere up there. Somewhere over the NASDAQ. Way up high. We'll see. It's still going. Kind of like it. I still don't have a stop here. I'm gonna put a stop here. There. Come on. Also looking for a some sort of a retracement on gold if it still wants to go lower. I mean, I'd like to see gold go higher, by the way. But anyway. Okay. It's 740 now. Yeah, 50%, 50% in TradeDay, yeah. Also 50% in MyFundedFutures and 40% in TradeDay and 40% in Take Profit Trader. So there are some good discounts. Very good discounts happening. Currently. Which I guess could be a good thing. End of July. End of July. 25 July 15. Okay. End of July, so there's still time. Still time. Gold is basically, it's almost unstoppable here. All right. I mean, it's going down. It's just slowly grinding lower is what I see. Let's see if it wants to go higher or not. Is there a flat candle there? 62, yeah, almost a flat candle. Not really a flat candle, but there is a candle up there. Oh man, it wants to go up there. I can see that now. I mean, currently all I have is a MyFundedFutures and a TRADEDAY trade on this one, up 300 on one trade, and almost 400 now on DAYTRADERS. But that is it. Not DAYTRADERS, come on. TRADEDAY. I always say DAYTRADERS. TRADEDAY. Trader Monk, hello. Yes, sometimes we need to do that. What platform is that where you have all the accounts one place? Quantower. Quantower. Everything in one place. It's Quantower. Kind of like it. It's a cool place. Free. But the multi-connection, I mean, the copy trader is free, the platform is free, it's built in, the copy trader is built in. But if you want to copy trade between multiple prop firms, then you have to subscribe for the advanced features, which is $27 with discount per month. 27 bucks per month, and you can connect to as many prop firms as you want. It's the basic version is free. Yeah, exactly. 780 data high. Let's see. Little more push. Let's go, good cop. So yeah, so if you're just connecting to one prop firm at a time, then it's free, and the copy trader is free. So you can copy it at the same prop firm for free, just like with TradeAway, of course. And yeah, for $27, you can have as many as you want per month. I also have a code there, the same Tom Sabo. It's don't worry, I haven't made. I mean, I made $9 last year with Quantower affiliation, so don't worry. But if you want to get a 10% discount on Quantower, my code is working there as well. Look at that. Just wants to go. I mean, for now, it seems like it. Let's go. Let's go. Let it go. Yeah, it's just hovering here. I was hoping for we go up to the 80s. I mean, obviously my ultimate target would be that 95. So positions are here. 2 positions. TRADEDAY and MyFundedFutures. It's not displaying correctly everything, but net PNL or gross PNL. Oh, it doesn't show the net PNL anyway. But it's only 5 micros and 4 micros. So take profit. No. Fee is not displayable because it's using different data feed. No. No. Yeah. You know, with NinjaTrader, it's much easier to have a window like this. Much, much easier. Receive your first payment of Apex. Amadeu, I must give you an applause. Congratulations. $23K? Not impossible. Trading for keeps. Hello, good morning. And Mombip, hey, what's happening? How's it going? I don't like this trade right now. I'd like to. I don't know. Anyway, I'm gonna keep it. Let's see how it goes. One eval, one funded. The MyFundedFutures is a funded, and the other one is on an eval. The only funded account I traded. Actually, I traded another funded account, one of my Bulenox accounts today. This one, I made $316 on this funded account. So, but not the best situation. I mean, I got already 2 payouts from this account, so I'm okay with making 300 because there's a 10 minimum trading days. So why do I want to push it for 1,000? So I'm okay with 316. If the MyFundedFutures account would go to profit, that would be awesome. And I made profits on hold on this account, 990 on this Take Profit Trader evaluation account today. Still needs a few hundred for being funded. This one blown up. This one I blew up. Don't ask me how it got down there. Long story. This was crazy. This one is up 530. Almost at 2,000. And this one is up 575. This is over 2,000 in profit. So these 3 are basically just evals. And I still need to work on my Funded Futures network accounts, almost at funded stage. I'm a little bit behind, to be honest. This month is a little bit slow. These are open trades. I mean, I have the same trade. Like, I'm long on NQ, looking for those highs up there, that fair value gap. It happened. Amadeo, the same exact thing happened to me as well. Don't worry about it. She went her knees. Oh, man. Well, you know, that's cool. That's kind of cool. Okay. Man. Alicia, hey, welcome. What exactly is your strategy for the streams? Just identify something like that. I mean, Maverick, you just summarized in a nutshell of what I'm looking for. I'm trying to keep it stupid simple. The KISS technique, you know, keep it stupid simple. Basically, that's it. I outline my levels, my zones that I'm looking at. I'm just searching for key levels that have been swept. And then comes the time and price into the equation, like what time it is, you know. If we are between 9:30 and 11, I can expect these levels to be taken. I mean, the higher probability is there to take those zones. And, you know, also in London session or in the PM session. And that's it, basically, in a nutshell. You just nailed it 100%. Keep it simple, stupid works best for my... Me too. I mean, I don't want to get into some 5-dimension analysis here. Kwang to you. Hey, Kwang. So at the end of the day, whatever you do, whatever, you can use an indicator. That's why I'm testing indicators all the time as well. I mean, I have this indicator here. I'm still testing since almost a year now. You can use an indicator. You can use trend line, whatever. At the end, it's only risk management. So why overcomplicate anything if you don't need to overcome? I mean, just keep it simple. Let's go. Was that modern? Yeah, it was. Philcos. It was modern art. Actually, I'm going to show you something which is real modern art. Okay, let me show you. When I saw this, I was actually, first time I was laughing for a minute when I saw this. This is modern art. Look at this. Okay. Which video is the one? I think this is the one. Okay, you guys need to see this. This is pure modern art. You guys know which video I'm talking about. Look at this. The sand is coming out here from this bucket down there. That's the he drew a hole. So this guy actually put sand in all these buckets here. Sand. He drew a hole here. So the sand is slowly coming out. Modern art at its best. Okay. That's modern art. There you go. Man, we need to do this. This is art. Actually, this is art. So what can we do, you know? What can we do? This is art. It's very typical indeed. Yeah, it is. Oh man, it's just what can we do, right? There you go. Hey, TP has been taken. Let's go. I like it. Okay, profit taken. Beautiful, beautiful. And would you look at that? We are going back into the zone again. I wish every day would be like this. I mean, profit-wise. Anyway. But by the way, in my opinion, I think it will, or it should go higher. Let me just check something here. No, not this one. I mean, it should be hitting that level, to be honest. There. A win. Oh, God. All right, good call. Congratulations. 1% done in a scalp. Let's go. 795 should be hit, by the way. Trump speaking. Trade deal with Vietnam. Awesome. That is super nice. That is super great. Finally. Look at this, man. It's gonna hit it. 95 is gonna get hit. I'm telling you. It's happening. If not, then maybe later. Then maybe it's gonna happen later. But it should be happening sooner or later. Anyway, what do we have? Maybe a possible pullback can be happening before hitting those levels, so just be careful with that. I wouldn't be surprised on anything, especially when President Trump is speaking. So who knows? Entries and precision is very good, but holding the trade. Well, you know, you will be able to hold the trade with smaller position. You know, that's what I'm doing. If I lose the trade, then yeah, of course I'm gonna lose it, and I mean, not my mind, hopefully, but it's just in the cards, you know. It happens. Yeah. And we got back to that 3-minute order block now. I'm not killing it. I mean, I went down to daily loss limit on the MyFundedFutures account. So, actually, so I'm definitely not killing it. Yeah, size down and you will be able to hold the trade much longer, right? So that's the goal, that's the deal. That's how you do it. I'm still actually looking for a possible trade on gold. I don't know if we're gonna get it or not. I constantly keep peeking on gold of what it's doing. I love to see these levels up there, the 33.72.9. If you guys want to mark up a good level, mark up the 33.72.9. That is something should be happening. Maybe not today, but in the future sometime, because of this here. That's going to be happening. So I'm very confident on a possible gold long position, but not now. Not currently. I need something more to happen. This is not enough yet. This is just not enough. Okay, we're in the CB. I wish this would have happened yesterday. I was aiming for this. So yesterday on my funded TV, I was keep telling about this zone, and you see my analysis here. All this shift and the 3-minute time frame that we price sooner or later should be returning into this. Now, once you have your zone or your target, your analysis, you know the game plan. Now, for example, my game plan in the London session was to go long again, which I did before I closed the stream on an evaluation account, which went against me. I closed it, by the way. And then as it started to go down, I was like, no, this is not my trade. This is not something I'm looking for. So I was just keep waiting and waiting. I think partially this is what I'm going to talk about in my funded TV today. I kept waiting and waiting and waiting until I saw the opportunity. Obviously, I was watching the 1-minute chart too. So when I entered the trade, I already saw that after the market opened, this fair value gap, which is, I don't even know, but anyway, this fair value gap was pretty much holding the price. And like, okay, this is it. We should go. And so we did go. But that's it. Just keeping it simple. Lulu shares jumped. Yeah. Jonathan, exactly. It's not about the size. It's about the movement. Oh my god. If I say this on my funded TV, you guys will never see me again there. It's not about the size. It's about the movement. Maybe I'm gonna say this, Jonathan. I'm gonna steal your. I'm gonna steal that from you, Jonathan. And I'm gonna say that on my funded TV. And if they ask me, I'm just gonna say it. Jonathan said that, so that's what she said. Miracle, you're looking for a drop. I mean, a pullback or a drop could be happening anytime, especially in this zone. This is the first time it mitigated this area, so there could be some kind of a drop. Question is how much. But at least like 10, 20 points could be happening. I'm gonna blame you. Yeah. I need to say this now. Don't worry. It's gonna be fine. Oh, by the way, I'm going to upload the giveaway link, so stay tuned for the streams. Tomorrow, I might gonna be late on the London stream. I need to take my father-in-law to the hospital tomorrow early morning, so I'm not sure how or when am I gonna be back. I'm gonna post it out, okay? So, but I'll be back. Don't worry. I'll be back for sure. Filled? Done. Okay. Nice. Good job, Miracle. I'm gonna have to look into the magical indicators from the future. What do they say? I might gonna be ready for a gold long position. Oh man. Where are these alerts? Never mind. Can't set it up properly. Shorted at 800. Well, 8.1 tick is excellent, especially in these conditions. Oh, not just for new users. Yeah. Sorry, I have to update that. Thank you, Ness. Thank you for joining us. Welcome to the channel. Ness, thank you so much for joining. Feel yourself home. Let us know what your day like today. Did you make some profit? Do you have some questions or anything? We always welcome new subs on the channel. Oh yeah, it says new users. For everybody, everyone. for all users. One time only. 50% off plus no activation fee from one time only. 50% off plus no activation fee from Starter Plus and Expert accounts, I think. I hope. I'm gonna update this just a second properly. Okay, should be fine now. What's your opinion on this important and relevant topic? Which topic is that? We have so many topics currently. Which is going to be the topic? I love memories. All right. What? Oh, that topic. It's kind of visible now. Well, about that topic, so what can I say? Big or small, not tiny. You know, at least before I answer, I can say that the description of this stream is actually for adults, so not for kids. It's in the description at YouTube, so it says not for kids. But small or big, oh my god. I mean, I don't know, man. I guess it depends on the big picture. You know, that would be the proper answer. Okay. Big butt with silicone. Still, I'm saying it depends on the whole big picture. I love that we have a proper topic. It depends on other factors as well. I mean, both are good, but depends on some other things too. Time factors. Tempted to take a short. I wouldn't short here, to be honest. I don't like this because the zone high is up there, and that's the only reason I would not take a short. 845. That's, and you know, we perfectly took out yesterday low, and now I feel like yesterday high is the next target. I just don't feel comfortable looking for a possible short entry here. But yeah, very risky to go short. Yeah, it can sweep some orders, but it's just very risky to go short. Yeah, most likely green. That's what I'm thinking too. Could be just popping higher and higher. Yeah, I mean, there's a good chance for it, especially after all these crappy days that we had. And what about ES? ES is still looking for those historical highs. So yeah, I'm just gonna go with like, oh, look at that. Just as we had to say it. Look at this, man. But it's still like, okay, 20 points. What is happening with gold? Nothing. Man, now I feel guilty. Philcos didn't take the position. He wanted to. Just got another one. Let's go, Amadeo. It's dropping. Yeah, I'm telling you guys, the market makers are watching. I don't know what's happening, man. But come on. I know it's tempting to jump into a short. I'm not going to. You do what you want. You do what you need to do. $33 points with 15 micros, man. I think you're done. Dude, that's a good money for the day. That's a very good money for the day. Walk away, man. Walk away. Yeah, that's why I'm not taking this. Instant buyback. Yeah. Let's just keep going. Keeps going, man. No stopping. Okay. Look at that. It wants to go for 845, man. I'm not jumping in. That's for sure. Although, it's really tempting. What do we do, right? What do we do? Let's see. Just hovering again. Just hovering. NQ is definitely playing mind games, but the zone high is at 845. Well, I don't know. I think it was just a liquidity sweep, Boom Banana. I think it just wanted to take up some orders and then maybe push through the zone high at 845. That's all. Like nothing special. I don't think that there was news or anything. It was just a technical correction. Sometimes it does it in a minute. Depends. Oh well, let's just wait again. It's the waiting game. Done for today? Alright, see you tomorrow, good cop. Congratulations for the trades there. Good job. You can make up for it with a free eval. We do that. That's why we're gonna do the giveaway. Let's go, good cop. Congrats again. No, not yet, Boom Banana. Stay tuned for Friday. Okay, stay tuned for Friday. Not everybody's self-responsible in this game. No, I will try to do the best, you know. Nvidia and Tesla are filling the gap. Oh, so that's why it's doing it. 2.6 sorry, 2.5% today. Dude. Man, you need to walk away from the screen. Congrats. But it will drop downward. Well, let's see. All right, see you tomorrow, Miracle. Thanks for joining. Thanks for joining. Okay. I think I'm going to call it as well. I'm not going to take another position. So, with that, I'd like to say that I'll be on my funded TV in about 34 minutes. I'm not going to take another position. This was it for me. So thank you so much for watching the stream and being here. Tomorrow, I'm not sure about how the London session is going to start. I don't think I'm going to get back in time. I'm going to post everything that I can, but I'm definitely going to be here for the half-day stream for early New York AM session, and you know, we'll see what to do. D-Pain, everybody, Miracle, Green, Amadou, Fielkos, Gukop, and everybody, Boom Banana, and anyone who I missed. Maverick, I just want to say, Itwhip, Mohammed, Paul, thank you so much for being here, and everybody else. God bless you all. If you would like to support the channel, please don't forget the Tom Sabo code. Really helps out the channel, helps us keep growing, and you know, the BMW. Anyway, God bless. I'll be at MyFunded TV, and tomorrow streams continue. All right, stick around. Cheers, everyone.